Tell us more about this demonstration.
Yes, the robot will now start its little excursion here, and we will see it on the big screen. Make a tour among the glasses, starting out real easy. So hopefully not breaking any glasses, starting out a little bit slow and easy, but gradually increasing the speed, and you will notice that the glasses, they remain intact also when the speed increases. And this is something that is quite unique, that competition really cannot reproduce, that the path actually stays exactly the same at different speeds. Very useful for program testing.
Yeah, so that's what we call a speed-independent path, isn't it?
That is correct. This is a point we have been making since '94, actually, when we introduced the S4 controller. And it's not only about speed independence, obviously. As you can see, this kind of performance, when it comes to speed and precision, no competitor can really come close to that.
So the motion control has been the hallmark for ABB for a long time. So why do you bring it up now?
I think it's a point that's worth repeating to everybody, so we don't forget to argue about this very differentiating factor for ABB. But I also bring it up now because we have taken the step into the second generation. The first one was in '94 with S4, and now with the step 2 that was announced last year at the partner seminar, it has now come into reality, and we are shipping this since 6 months back on a number of robots. And this brings us a number of big benefits. For instance, that we can produce more lean robots, like the 6640 robot, much lighter than the predecessor, but also that with an existing robot like this one, we can squeeze out much more performance. So we have some numbers here. With exactly the same mechanics, we can now handle 20% more payload. And we can cut typically 10% out of the cycle time. And also we can do it with up to 35% more accuracy when it comes to path performance. That's what you can do with software.
Oh, isn't that something?